Understanding 3D touring. In this video, we'll discuss the importance of taking your customer on a 3D tour of their dream building, as well as taking photos of the building that will be included in your customer quote later. With your building drawn, place your cursor inside the building outline and click to bring up the navigation menu. Show 3D Building is a menu choice in the third section of the menu. When you click on that item, the 3D touring window with your building shown will appear. Here's where the fun begins. First, take a look at the various menu items shown at the top of the screen. Click on each one to see what they do. With all of the buttons turned off, you will start with a blank screen. You can then build the structure right in front of the customer. For example, click on columns first, then exterior framing, then trusses, then purlins and bracing, then foundation, if you're installing a slab in the building, then roofing, then siding, then trim, and finally grass. Pretty neat. You will use the arrow keys on your computer keyboard to navigate around the building. Think of yourself as standing there looking at the building. To move closer, click the up arrow on your keyboard. To move to the right, click the right arrow. Want to move left? Use the left arrow. To back up, use the down arrow. You can actually walk a customer completely around the building using these tools. You can also walk right up to and through any wall to view the interior of the building. The page up and page down keys on your keyboard also provide a unique perspective of the building, and you might like to try the U button for up and the D button for down as well. Try the W key sometime as well to view a wireframe view of the building. A faster way to view any angle is to click the Move To menu item at the top of the screen. Then select any view you want, including a bird's eye view. Here's a very important feature. Note the camera icon at the top right-hand side of the screen. Using this function, you can take a photo of the building from any angle. Inside, outside, it doesn't matter. You choose the angle you want and then snap a picture. You will want to take at least 3 photos of every building, although there is no limit on the number you can take, because these will be printed on the customer quote produced by PostFrame Manager later. When you're finished, just click the X at the top right-hand side of the screen or the Escape key on your keyboard to return to the building outline. Finally, remember this. If you view the building in 3D and take photos while you're there, then decide to make any change to the building, your photos will be lost and you'll have to take them again to have them available for your customer quote. This makes perfect sense when you think about it. If you changed the building in some way, the old photos would not reflect that change. This ends the Understanding 3D Touring instructional video.